Hi, I'm Harrison Schroeder, and I'm running for Floyd County Commonwealth's Attorney. As the primary season comes to a close, I'd like to leave you with some closing thoughts. Now, all of the candidates for Floyd County Commonwealth's Attorney are certainly well qualified for the position. So what differentiates me from my opponents? Well, first of all, I'm the only candidate who has lived and practiced law right here in Floyd County for the last almost 10 years. I'm a partner in the Floyd law firm of Profit and Schroeder. I practice law with Dale Profit, and our office is right here on Main Street. I mention this because it shows that I have a good working knowledge of this community, its citizens, and law enforcement, which will serve me well as Floyd County Commonwealth's Attorney. I will not be learning this community on the job. Secondly, I'm the only candidate for Floyd County Commonwealth's Attorney who has a track record of serving this community for the last almost 10 years. Now, Coach John Wooden was famous for saying, "The true test of a man's character is what he does when no one is watching." Now, it's easy for politicians to act like they care when they're running for office and people are watching, but you should vote for the candidate who has served this community when no one was watching. I've been president of the Floyd County Lions Club. I was one of the people who chartered the Floyd County Rotary Club. I've been master of the Floyd Masonic Lodge, and I'm an active member of my church, Calvary Baptist Church. These are organizations that have raised thousands of dollars for community needs right here in Floyd County. This shows that I really care about this community and its citizens, and this is why I'm running for office. Thirdly, I'm the only candidate for Floyd County Commonwealth's Attorney who has children in the public school system here. My wife Crystal and I have 7 children. The oldest is a freshman at Virginia Tech. We have a sophomore at Floyd County High School, and the rest of our children are at Willis Elementary School. Now, why do I mention this? I mention this because it shows that we are very invested in this community, and that no one will work as hard as I will to keep our schools and community safe. Now, much has been said by my opponents about prosecutorial experience, so let me address that. Let me just say that our last Commonwealth's Attorney, Stephanie Short, had not been a prosecutor before entering the office of Floyd County Commonwealth's Attorney. And I think we'll all agree that she did an excellent job. I've had an active criminal law practice for over 14 years. I've handled every kind of case from speeding on up to murder. I've handled numerous judge trials and jury trials in high-profile cases. I graduated in the top 5% of my law school class at the University of Tennessee College of Law, and I was awarded the Tennessee Attorney General's Award for Excellence in Trial Advocacy. I certainly know my way around the courtroom. Now, what will I do as Floyd County Commonwealth's Attorney? I think it's important to pursue justice in a fair, ethical, and compassionate manner. I will certainly push for long sentences for those who pose a threat to the peace and security of our community. Those that commit minor crimes, I will seek ways to rehabilitate those people so that they will once again be contributing members of our society. I will review each case individually to ensure that everyone is treated fairly and equally under the law. I will assist victims and witnesses with compassion and understanding as they navigate the criminal justice system. And I'll be proactive in combating crime by supporting community outreach programs. Now, Floyd County is a very safe community, but we do face threats to our security. The meth epidemic in this county contributes to about 90% of the crime that we face, and therefore we must tackle it head on. Let me be perfectly clear. Those who are making and selling meth in this county should know that I am not someone that they would want to meet in the courtroom. I will push for long sentences for meth dealers, as well as child predators, and anyone that would seek to do us harm. My wife Crystal and I are raising our children here in Floyd County, and we want to keep Floyd County a safe place to live, work, and raise a family. If elected, my number one goal will be to keep your family and my family safe. Well, thank you for listening, and I ask for your vote on May 16th.